So this is a very short review of this CRAFTSMAN CMMT4114. It's just a magnet that you can extend, and this way, well, you can do many things. If you're working on a car and maybe you dropped something metal, a screw, something, you can go ahead and pick it up this way between, you know, the engine and when stuff are really tight. But if you're renovating your home and you have a bunch of screws, washers on the floor and you don't want to bend and get them, just extend. You can even stand up, and as you see, it can pick them up quite well. It's able to lift up to 2 pounds. So, you know, when you only have screws and washers, that's nothing. So you're able to pick many, and yeah, it saves time. And I'm sure there's many other usage to this tool other than what I'm showing you over here. The handle is made out of this kind of a hard foam, and you can also attach it to your shirt or maybe your bag so you don't lose it. And overall, it's quite compact when you put it back this way. I'll put the links towards Amazon if you want to get one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.